Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, this is my gerbera daisy here, and I wanted to talk to you about this. Now, this is not powdery mildew. The greenhouse that I got this from, they did overhead watering, and they fed their plants when they watered them, and the residue from the plant food is what you're seeing on here. And this is the start of powdery mildew. Now I took a bunch of leaves off of this already, and you can see there's more over here on this leaf. So gerbera daisies are very sensitive to certain sprays, and this here got hit with after I had gotten it, I had gotten a little bit of a hydrogen peroxide spray on it. It was 1 part hydrogen peroxide to, I think it was 10 parts water, and it was a little too sensitive for it. So this was the damage here from the spray. You can see down in here, it's going to get ready to bloom. But gerbera daisies can get powdery mildew, but this did not have the characteristics of powdery mildew. And honestly, when I first saw it, I thought, oh no, it's powdery mildew. So I kept watching it because I went back like, I think 3 times, and they were weeks apart when I went back. Now, powdery mildew is a very aggressive mildew, spread very, very quickly. Nothing else there had anything that looked like that. It was just the gerbera daisies. So I started, kind of thinking and looking at it. They only had 1 left. They told me that they were completely sold out. And I happened to find one, which I was so thankful for. And it does look like it's going to be yellow, which is the color I was hoping for. So I asked the girl that was there, and she looked at it, and she thought that it was just from their watering too, because I started really thinking about it, and it just didn't have the characteristics or the signs of powdery mildew. So when I got it home, and honestly, if I would have looked at the container when I first picked it up, or when I first seen it, I would have seen the white here on the container from the residue from their plant food. But I didn't do that at first. So when I got it home, I rinsed it off with water, and I noticed some of the spots came off, and you could wipe some of the spots off. So the longer I've had it now, the spots are disappearing off of it. And if you look at this pepper plant here, you see the exact same thing. And I have seen this already on some of my flowers after I watered them or fed them, where I would see this white here. And this is not powdery mildew. This is a residue left over from the plant food and from the water. If you ever heard of like water spots, your plants, certain plants can get like water spots on them. So check the plant over, and make sure that you actually know what you're treating before you just start spraying stuff on it. And you can even see it in this geranium leaf here, where there's some white on it. And that's not powdery mildew. Sometimes what happens is when you get a high concentration of the fertilizer in it, the fertilizer salts will leach out through the plant leaves themselves, or it'll leave a residue on your leaf. So I hope that you found this video helpful. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button that ties up a new video on. Thank yous for watching. Have a nice day. Bye.